I found this hardboard pegboard at Lowe's. They are pretty decent size. This is only half of it, and I got it for $9.99. And I'm going to start at the top center of my board using a straight edge, and I'm going to make a diagonal line. I'm counting about 4 circles in on both the left and right side, which will leave me 11 holes at the base of the triangle. Now I'm going to use my jigsaw to cut out the shape here. This is a Black & Decker curve control jigsaw. I really enjoy working with these for the basic cuts. You can also cut curves, and it's an easy tool to learn. Now this hardboard was pretty easy to cut with the jigsaw. It does create a lot of dust from the cutting, but I had no issues with the hardboard breaking on me. Now I have my triangle cut out, and I'm just going to take a piece of sandpaper and smooth out the edges. And then I'm going to be using some Wise Owl Spanish Olive Chalk Synthesis paint, and I gave that one good coat on the front. You can also paint the back if you choose. Once that was dry, I took some Wise Owl Antique Villa and just did a dry brush on top of the Spanish olive. This is totally optional. And then I'm going to flip it to the back side, and I have a popsicle stick that I'm just cutting small pieces to cover some of the peg holes. Now I'm just going throughout the back side, adding a little bit of hot glue and using the popsicle stick to cover just random peg holes. And I did that with about 8 peg holes. And I'm going to flip it back to the front side. And I have these wood dowels. I grabbed these from Dollar Tree. They are a 15 pack of 6-inch wood dowels. And I'm cutting mine to about an inch and a half. And I'm going to hot glue those into the peg holes where we placed the popsicle on the back side. Now the reason I did that is because my wood dowels did not fit perfect inside the hole. They were loose. So this was one way to secure them. But if you find wood dowels that fit perfectly in that peg hole, you can totally skip the entire popsicle step. And this is what it looks like from side view. Now, I love to grab these mini Christmas tree ornaments. They're great for adding to your crafts. And I decided that I'm just going to pick from a bunch of these little packs that I have. I got some of these from Hobby Lobby, and then some of them are from Walmart. And I'm just shortening up the string, and I'm hanging them all from one of the dowels. And then I'm going to add a metal star to the top of my tree. And there we go. Now we just have this very easy pegboard Christmas tree. And you can make this any size of your choice. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials on our webpage as well. Have a great day.